Hello everyone, welcome to Code Your Dreams. In this video, we'll be discussing about Capgemini recruitment drive. And this recruitment drive is especially for 2021 graduates. So we will be discussing everything about this recruitment drive, like what is the eligibility criteria, what is the recruitment process, the complete recruitment process, and how to apply for this. So stay tuned till the end to understand everything. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe it and hit the bell icon for further notifications. And so let's start the video. So Capgemini is hiring students of batch 2021, which means students who graduated this year. So the last date to register for this recruitment drive is 15th of October. So all the candidates who will be registering for this recruitment drive will receive test assessment link from second week of October, and the eligibility criteria for this recruitment drive is like all the referred candidates must meet all the following criteria, like the candidates must be graduating in 2021 or graduated in 2021. The qualification, like the student can be from MCA, BE, BTech from any branch, or ME, MTech, and must be only from information technology, information science, or computer science background. The student must have scored 50% and above in diploma and in graduation aggregate of 7 semesters and in MCA aggregate of 5 semesters. The candidate must be open to sign service level agreement bond. The candidate must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location and should be able to work across any technology domain role and should be ready to work in shifts if required. The candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages. Academic milestone stages that are considered here are like 10th, 12th, degree, and post graduation. Candidate should not have any gap within an academic milestone. The candidate appeared for 12th twice will also be considered, but only if both the mark sheets are available. Candidate should not take more than 4 years to complete BE BTech. The candidate choosing degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. The candidate should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process, and only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test assessment or selection process. The entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode, and the candidates will be responsible for arranging all the required infrastructure for appearing the selection process, which will be conducted online, which means the complete selection process, like from written test to the interview rounds, everything will be done online. So after the interview, like after successful completion of the hiring process, you will be groomed through an intense 8 to 10 weeks of central training program of Capgemini. And in this training program, they will offer best in class and unique learning experience that will unleash the potential in you. And the training platform Next offers you a very customized learning journey with plethora of courses from Coursera, Pluralsight, Udemy, etc. The learning is immersive in nature with focus on hands-on, supported by subject matter experts from project teams, in addition to day-to-day coaching of faculty members. The training is imparted on diverse technologies like insight and data, digital technologies, enterprise application solutions, cloud infra services, web technologies, testing and system technologies. And the allocation of technology depends on the business demand and your credentials. Also, during the training, coaching, and mentoring, you can also earn salary for the entire duration that you are being trained. So I already mentioned the last date to register, that is October 15th. Now let's see the assessment process. So there are 5 steps in the complete assessment process. The first step is technical assessment pseudocode. The second step is multiple choice questions based on English communication test. Step 3 is game based aptitude test. And step 4 is behavioral competency profiling. Step 5 is technical and HR interview. So the first 3 steps will be coming under the written test. So these 3 steps will be covered under the written test, and after clearing the written test, you'll have the step 4, that is behavioral competency profiling. They'll check the behavioral profiling of the candidate in step 4, and if you clear the step 4, you'll be getting a call for technical and HR interview, and if you clear the technical and HR interview, you'll get selected for this position. Okay, so now let's see how to apply for this. So I'll provide the link in the description of this site, so you can just click on register now here, and upon clicking this you'll reach this page. Here you can see that Capgemini Accelera pooled campus drive for 2021 graduates, job function engineering under web and software domain, the CTC 3 lakh per annum, and we already discussed the eligibility criteria. You just have to click on apply now here. So after that you will be asked to enter your email address. Enter your email address and click on next. After entering your email address, click on register and apply. So after that you'll find a form here. You'll have to fill all the details like basic details, contact details, your recent education details, previous education details like about 10th and 12th, your internship and work experience details, profile photo, documents, and at last, after submitting all your documents and all the details required, your application will be submitted. So if you are interested and you fit in the eligibility criteria, then do apply for this recruitment drive. That's it for this video. Do like the video and share it among your friends, and also subscribe the channel for further more updates on internships and jobs. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.